Welcome to this yoga fusion practice that includes a little bit of Qigong, a little bit of mobility, and a little bit of familiar yoga poses. And we string them together in a fun, funky sequence. This sequence is great for you if you're letting your wrist take a break. There won't be any chaturangas. There won't be a vinyasa within this practice. We'll start in a standing position, gradually make our way to the ground, and then come back up before repeating the same sequence on the other side. So let's start. We're going to begin with our feet connected to the earth. Inhale, reach both arms up to the sky. Let your left hand hold on to your right forearm, wrist, or palm as you press down through the outer corner of your right foot to create a crescent moon stretch with the whole of the right side of your body. Notice you're not rounding the spine. You really want to keep it a side stretch here. And we'll stay here connecting with the gallbladder meridian channels for the next 3, 2, 1. With your inhale, come back through the center. Now let your right hand come into your heart center. Let the left fingers come towards each other and then rest the back of your palms against the back of your lower back, your sacrum, as you shift the weight towards your left foot and step your right foot behind you, coming into a curtsy. From here, you're welcome to stay high. You're also welcome to bend a little bit lower. Maybe your bum almost reaches towards your heels as you look beyond your left shoulder. We'll stay here breathing in and out for 3, 2, 1. Press down through the left foot, breathe in, come back through the center, breathe out, palms into the heart center. Let's try the same on the other side. Breath in, arms reach up. Use your right hand to hold the forearm, wrist, or palm as you stretch over this time to your right side. Really anchor down to the outside corner of the right foot. Feel the whole left side of your body, spacious, long. Breathe spaciousness into the intercostal muscles. Staying here for one more breath. And then slowly releasing, coming back through the center. This time, your left palm is in the center. Your right fingers come towards each other. And then you rest the back of your wrist against the back of your sacrum or the small of your back. Shift the weight towards your right foot. Bend the left knee and step into your curtsy. Again, you're welcome to stay high on this side, or you're welcome to sit a little bit lower. We'll stay here looking beyond your right shoulder for 3, 2, 1. Press down through the right foot, come back through the center, palms in. Let's keep building on this. Breath in, arms reach up. Hold on to the right forearm, wrist, or palm as you stretch over to the side. One more full breath in and long breath out. And then once again, dragon pose, right palm in front, left wrist behind. Stepping into the dragon position as you look beyond your left shoulder, maybe staying high, maybe coming low for 3, 2, 1. And then this time, with or without the support of your hands, see if you can softly come into Gomukhasana with your legs, letting both knees stack as you sit comfortably on the ground. If this is not accessible for you and your knee is quite high up, you're always welcome to come into firelock position where your ankle is on top of the knee instead, or a loose position, a figure of 4 position where you have your ankle in front of the knee. And from here, we're going to take a breath in, find length through the spine as you breathe out, spiral and look beyond your left shoulder. Staying here for 3, 2, 1. Now letting your left fingers stay behind you as they tent and connect with the earth. Press down through the length fingers to find length through the spine. Softly turn your head forward so you're looking forward towards the camera. We'll keep your right hand either holding your thigh, calf, or the outer corner of your ankle or the foot, and then see if you can lengthen that leg or foot out. You might be holding the bottom of the thigh, calf, or the outer corner of the foot. And then if you feel the back hand can float off, feel free to lengthen it behind you or even up towards the sky. We'll stay here for 3, 2, 1. Great. Now see if you can release the hands so both hands are up. Feel the strength of your legs as you reach it off to the side. And then gently and slowly point the left toes, close your right foot into the inside of the right thigh. Use your right hand this time as you press down through the right fingertips under the right shoulder to lift your hips off the ground and shine your heart up to the sky. Staying here for 3, 2, 1. Breathing out, release. Let's try this one more time. Breath in, press down through the right hand. Shine your heart up to the sky for 3, 2, 1. Let's slowly release. Now from here, see if you can rise back up to standing without your hands. Rising onto one or both knees and then rising up all the way up to stand. Let's try the same on the other side. Coming back into standing position. Breath in, arms reach up. Use your right hand to hold the left wrist, forearm, or palm. Creating spaciousness through the left side of the body. 3, 2, 1. Softly release. This time, left palm comes to the heart center. Right fingers come together and right wrist rests behind the small of the back. Shift the weight towards your right foot and step your left foot behind you to come into a curtsy. You might stay high. You might come a little bit lower. Whatever position allows you to maintain integrity in the spine. For 3, 2, 1. And then with or without the support of your hands, coming into Gomukhasana on the other side. From here, softly and gently either aligning your knees, or you might let your ankle come on top of the opposite knee, or you might come into a loose shoelace position, whatever is accessible and feels right for you. From here, press down through the fingertips, especially your right fingertips that are behind you. Breathe in. Let your left hand hold the outer corner of the right thigh as you look beyond your right shoulder for 3, 2, 1. Keeping the connection of the ground with your right fingertips, lengthen the spine, and then slowly let your gaze trail forward. You can stay here. You are also welcome to hold on to the outer corner of the thigh, calf, ankle, outside corner of the foot, and then maybe lengthen that foot out. Now, keeping that engagement in the leg, maybe your right hand floats behind you, or maybe it reaches up to the sky. Let's stay here, drawing the belly in, lifting the leg up, lengthening the spine. One more breath. And then see if you can keep that leg up as both hands come up and softly release it off to the side. Oh, feel that release. Now bring the right foot to the inside of the right thigh, point the right toes, and let your left hand come behind you under your left shoulder. We'll push through the left palm to breathe in, to rainbow your hips. Come onto the left knee and right toes and left palm, and let the right hand shine up to the sky. Feel your heart blossom open. One more breath. Slowly release. Let your bum connect with the earth. Take a breather. We'll try this one more time. Breath in, shine your heart up and beyond for 3, 2, 1. Softly release, coming back down. From here, same thing as we did before. See if you could, without your hands, slowly and gently rise up to stand. Taking all the time you need. And then as you come to stand, bringing the palms together into your heart center, letting your head bow down towards your heart, taking a moment to send gladness, joy, and gratitude to everyone and everything that made it possible for you to be here and practice today. Thank you so much for joining me for this short, funky practice. I hope you had fun practicing with me and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.